So our reupholstery process is basically we bring in a customer's furniture and we send it out looking like new. Basically what we do is we bring it in from the customer's home, we strip the furniture down to its frame, and then we rebuild it, putting in everything new as we need to. We rebuild the furniture in the customer's own choice of fabric, and we then put it through inspection processes before we dispatch it back to the customer. Well, basically we're stopping furniture going into landfill, and a lot of furniture is of very good quality, is well made with a sturdy frame. It's just the coverings are looking a little bit shabby, so if we can replace the coverings and replace the foam and inside the furniture, then it's definitely good for the environment, because it means less landfill, less waste, less CO2 emissions and stuff to get rid of.
Last year in the UK alone, we threw away 340,000 tonnes of unloved sofas and chairs. So if we can do our part to reduce that, it'll have a huge impact on the environment.
Upholstery is also a very skillful job. The guys that we've got here have all been time served. We have our own apprentice programme through the factory. We've won a couple of awards for our apprentices, so that's, we are very, very keen on the apprentice route. And many of the guys who are working for us came in as 16, 17-year-olds. We've taught them the skills and brought them through, and they're now producing reupholstery work for us.